Welcome again to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I want to show you guys on how you can trade futures market and make over $100 every single day. Today I make more than even $200, and I will show you my result right now. I will also show you guys on how you can trade right now on this video and make money for yourself. If you're a new member here, try to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let me show you my result first. If you want to let me show you my result first. Let me click on wallet. Let me go to my future. This is my futures account. Let me go to history. This is my history. Can you see this is all my results? Can you see on my last trade I make $60, here I make $31, here I make like $24. I calculate everything today. This is all my winning trade today. All right, I make, can you see? Let me click on it. You can see 20% on shorts. I short it, I make 20% here. So let me even show you my long trade again. Here I make over $47 today. When I click on this particular area, I will show you, can you see, about 15% here on long trade on ING. So let me show you right straight away on how you can trade futures market here and start making money like this. The reason why I'm just using this particular exchange, that when you are trading on their futures market, their percentage of gas fee is very low. On their spot trade, you don't need to pay any single gas fee. When you are trading on their spot market, on spot trading, everything is zero. So the first thing you need to do if you want to trade here, you need to force deposit. Before we go, try to subscribe, like, and share this video. So before we go into the video display, you need to just click on this particular wallet and deposit money from $100, $200, $50. You can make a deposit. Click on wallet, then come to your spot. Just come to your spot here, spot market. Then you need to just click on deposit here. So you need to just select USDT. Type in USDT. All right, select USDT here. All right, then you need to just try to search for TRC20. So you need to just first deposit money to your account first, then copy the wallet address, then you send the money to your account. So when the money reflects on your account, it will reflect on your spot market USDT. All right, it will reflect on here USDT. Maybe you have USDT on your account. All right, it will reflect like this on your account. All right, sorry, okay, USDT will reflect on your account. Can you see? It will reflect like this 107 after you make your deposit to your account here. So once the money reflects, you have to just come to your futures market here, click on this particular area, then you have to just click on this transfer. You need to transfer money from your spot wallet to your futures account. Can you see? I have like $100 on my futures, on my spot account for currently. Just click $100. I will now transfer the $100 to my futures account like this. So the money has already transferred to my futures account. So when the money reflected on my futures, I will now come to this area, come to this futures. You can see market, trade, and futures here. Currently, right, I'm trading BTC right now. Can you see? I'm making about $24 right now on my BTC. On my ET, I'm making about $16 profit. On my, this is one of my winning trade right now. You can see right now. So you can see 4% right now on BTC and about 5% on my, can you see, on my ETH trading. So let me show you straight away. So this is your spot. This is your future market. Let me change it to BTC. BTC as an example. BTC. All right. Then I'll also show you the indicator you can use to trade. All right. So you can see we have open long. You can see we have open long, we have open short here. We have open long, we have open short here. So open long means you want to long, you want to buy at lower price, then you want to long it. Maybe the BTC is going, you predict that BTC will go to higher level from 42,000 to 45,000. Then you click on long. All right, then if you want to short, maybe you predict that BTC will come down to 40,000. You now click on short. But let me explain to you what is different between them. For example, then you have to, then you can see this one TP and SL means you want to take profit. Then when you click on this advance here,
All right, okay, for example, now let's say, okay, for example, before we go to this particular area, you need to analyze the market. You need to analyze it. Maybe if VPT wants to go down, you need to analyze the market first. So you can, let me just show you a simple method, a simple way for beginner like you and me. So because I have many I normally use, but let me just show for beginner. You can click on this particular candle here to analyze the market. If this is, then you see, then you have to just use one indicator, two indicator as an example, or three indicator. Then you have to just click on this particular area and bring out the indicator. You can see this is empty chart or empty something, no any indicator that is good. Just click on this particular area, then click on this indicator to set up the indicator. We are going to use moving average, which is this one, moving average and moving average exponential moving average, exponential moving average. So let me just click on this, the first one, moving average. So on this moving average, if you want to set it up on this particular area, just make it like 50 like this. Just type 50. All right, then make sure the line is very thick. You can select any color, then come to this particular area again and click on this. You can choose any, but I normally choose like green as my moving average. Then you click on this confirm button, confirm. Then you have to just come to this exponential moving average here. Then you have to just make sure, just tick only one, don't tick all this one. You can, it may be like this on your own, but just make sure it's only one here. All right, then make sure this one is just only 20. Okay, then make sure the color is red. Then change, you can change. I normally use like something like white, whatever. Then okay, then click on confirm. So you are good to go. So once, then if you want to bring out the indicator, just click on this moving up down below here. You can see my arrow here, and then you see moving average is about the one. This one is about, can you see this one is a moving average. Then the second one, exponential moving average, you can see exponential moving average. You can see right now. So how can you know when maybe the market is going down or is going up? You can see whenever you see this white candle, let me show you this type of area. Let me just, all right, then okay, let me show you. This is, we have different time frame. We have line, this one is line, this one is line. This is going down right now. This one is 15 minutes time frame, you can see. But if you want to, maybe if you want to make quick money on, maybe if you want to just enter the market and make quick money, you can just select 1 minute, just click on this more, and you have to use just 1 minute time frame on this particular tutorial. Okay, you can see this is, we have already enabled the indicator. We have the white. Whenever you see the white cross, whenever you see the white, can you see, you can see the white cross over the green one, the green indicator. You can see the market is coming down. This white cross over the what, over this green indicator. That means the market is going down. Then you click on short, then you short the market. So whenever you see the market, let me even okay, you can see from this particular area, you can see the white indicator, which is moving average, cross over the green indicator. You can see the market is going up here. So this is what you need to determine. If the white indicator cross down, okay, can you see here, you can see the white indicator cross down the indicator. That means the market is coming down here. So let me show you the current price, right now. For now, the thing has not crossed over each other, but let me check from here. You can see, yes, it's crossed over here. You can see from this particular area, you can see the market is going up, with the white is crossed over upward, which means the market is pumping, it's gonna go up on this particular 1 minute time frames. So right now, when you determine that maybe you predict that the market is going up or down, then you click, let's say you want to go for long, you click on this open position. Open means you want to long BTC, you want to long it. Then let me explain this one. We have cross, we have 10x, we have cross means maybe, for example, maybe you have $1,000 on your account. So when you are trading future, so all your $1,000 account are automatically trading. on that particular future market. But when you select this one isolated means you are, maybe you have $1,000 on your account and you want to use just $100 to trade. So the remaining $900 will not be trade, because we are just using, when you choose this isolated, okay, that means we are just trading with just $100 on your account. So but cross margin is that you are trading all the entire money on your account, on your particular account. So right, let me choose another coin. Let me select, you can, if you want to select the coin, let me select another coin, maybe ICPC. All right, this is ICPC. I'll just select the coin. You can use BTC, you can use whatever account. So for me now, maybe I want to use isolated. So right now, you are deposit $100 to your account. You deposit $100 to, and you want to use $10 out of your $100. Can you see this one? You may see something like ICPC, this one here, but just change this one to USDT for you to change it to USDT. Let's say you deposit $100 and you want to use just $20 out of your something. You can just select, then let me explain what is 10 this one 20x whatever. Let's say you have $100, okay, then you want to be trading with $100 on your account, then $100 times 20. All right, you can see it will give you, so it's $100, it will give you about $2,000. But if you want to, for beginner like you can just change this one to just normal, use just like 10x, because you are just starting future, because future is very risky. All right, click on confirm. Let's say I want to just use only 10s. So then you see $100 times 10 will give me about what, about $1,000. So let's say I want to use just, out of my $1,000, I want to just use only $100. So I will just type 1,000 here, and I'm trading with just, you can see, which is isolated, which is $100. I'm just trading with just $100 here. Or can you see, out of my $1,000 I have on my account? So, and I'm using isolated means I'm just trading with just $100. But when you select this cross margin, that means I'm trading with all the capital, but I'm trading with all the capital I have on my account. Do you understand? Then if you want to long, then you open long. Yeah, that means you want to long this particular something, but maybe you don't want to buy this particular coin at this particular stage. You can just, maybe I want to buy at, let's say when the coin dropped to $8 and you want to long it, so you can just select this open long. So when the coin dropped to $8, it may, after you have already done your analysis, just click on open long. Then you have to just take your profit. Let's say you want to make like, okay, this is take profit. So let's say you want to take your profit at 10, you now take 10. So but you have to just set your stop loss. Let's, you can say you want to your stop loss mean, maybe you want to just let's say I want to stop loss means by 8.6, maybe if the coin is dropping. But if you want to do the advanced, just click on this advanced area, then so that you can understand everything here. Do you understand? But if you want to go, let's say I want to take profits at, let's 10%, I'll just change this one to 10%, and I want to just lose only 5% out of my money, or I can just, let's say even 15% here. So here on this particular area, I'll change it to percent. I just want to lose only 5%. Do you understand? 5%, you can see this is 5%. I'll now click on this. Oh, sorry, 5%. Sorry, 5. That's just only 5% of my money. I'll just click on confirm. Can you see? Then I want to just allow this coin to drop to $8. I'll now click on this open long. I'll now click on this open long. I'll now click on confirm. All right, that means you want to long it. So if you want to short, let's say when this coin hits up to, let's say you want to short. If you want to short here, you just click on this $11. So maybe if you want to short, maybe this coin is going to, when this coin is $11, I want to short it. So I want to take profit. If you want to short it, you just click, let's say when this coin is like $11, all right, I want to short it. So then you now click on this advance again here, then you click on this open long here, click on advance. Then this one you want to take, let's say, okay, now you now change this one to short, this one short. You now say you want to make like 20%. Sorry, let's say 20%. You now come to this particular area and say you want to just leave only 5% here. Only 5% here. You now click on this confirm. So there's, let's say when this coin reach it reach like $11, you now click on this open short. All right, so that is how it works. So I'm making money on my BTC position right now, over $40 something right now on my BTC position. So this is how you can open, how you can short and long. You buy, so I've already explained this one, cross margin and isolated. All right, cross margin means you are trading with all your entire money. So why isolated means maybe you have $1,000 there and you want to just use only $100 there out of it, then it's not affect your money. So it's very, very simple and how you can open long. Let's say I want to trade this coin now. As an example, I want to trade this coin, maybe I want to short it. So I'll just say I have like over $1,000 on my account. I want to use like 20%, 20x. So I have 1,000. I want to out of my 1,000, I want to use 20s. So I want to use only $300 there. I will now write like $6,000. 6,000, yes, 6,000 here. That means I'm trading with just $300 here. Can you see? So when this coin, I want to short this particular coin. So I'm using cross margin. So can you see? I want to short when this coin hit like $11. So I want to short it to drop down. I will now take my profits here. I will now take my profit. Let me just say take my profit like 20%. All right. I will now say my stop loss like let's say 5%. All right. Okay. Sorry, it's 5%. All right. So 5%. Oh, sorry, 5%. So I'll just say 5%. I just leave that just say 5%. So when this coin hit like $11 right now, I will now say open shorts. Can you see? Open short. So you can see I'll now say open short. So I want to buy at $11. So I'll just say open short is now buy for me. All right. So it's very, very simple and easy. So this is how to just trade on futures market and start making money for yourself. So thank you guys for watching the video. Try to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye for now, guys.